No, can't do it. I gotta do a little intro. This is so weird. Yeah, so guys, today I'm gonna be doing ASMR. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try so hard to actually do okay. I think it'll be like okay, but not the greatest. And oh yeah, guys, remember to subscribe and comment and like down below. I've watched a couple of these videos and it's been like so weird. Just I don't know what to feel about these kind of videos. I think like it's not as popular as it used to be, but you know what? I'm still gonna do it. So yeah, let's get started. So the things I'm going to do is a goldfish and Oreo that I already ate. Oops. And I'm gonna do makeup brushes. Yes. And then I don't know. I'll figure it out as I go along. Okay? And I'm gonna be recording on my phone. We'll see if this works. If it doesn't, I can't take the recording from my phone and put it into the computer, then this is gonna be a bad video, okay? But that's how we're doing it today. I don't know where this records. Today we're going to be doing ASMR. Let's get started. Ooh, it's working. Hey guys, so the thing is, I recorded like 4 minutes of that horrible brushing sound and it didn't end up sounding good at all. So I'm going to save your ears and not play it at all for you. So this video is going to be a lot shorter, I think, and this video is already feeling so much. Hope you enjoy the rest of it. Nope, can't do this. This is too weird. I just can't. This is so awkward.
Now, where's an Oreo action?
I'm drooling. I'm using chopstick for ASMR. I think I'm running out of ideas. I think I was going a little crazy, but it's pretty funny, so just keep watching. Cherry. Next! Oh yeah, I found another brush. Is this recording? I don't know. Well guys, that's it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed watching me fail at ASMR. And remember to subscribe and comment and like this video. Bye! Peace, my dudes.